Good morning, Rutgers. Happy Tuesday, November 6th. Today is Election Day. I am Weather Watcher Adam Ranier here. We'll start by taking a time to announce a few things. New Brunswick, Ward 1, District 6. Your polling location has been relocated from the Labor Education Center to the Woodrow Wilson School on 133 Tunison Road in New Brunswick within the Rutgers Village section. This is due to Hurricane Sandy and the power outages we've experienced over the past week or so. If you live in the township of Piscataway, Ward 4, District 6, your polling location has been relocated from the Livingston Rec Center to the Livingston Student Center, so not a far change for you guys. You'll just walk across a couple parking lots and paths and you'll be at the Livingston Student Center. Now we can jump into the weather headlines. First, periods 1 to 3 on Cook campus today are canceled due to a planned power outage. So if you have class in periods 1, 2, or 3 on Cook campus, you will not have class because they've been canceled. Once Sandy moved out last week, the cold moved in and the cold weather has stayed here. It has not budged one bit. We can expect some rain and even some snow showers Wednesday night into Thursday, but this is becoming less of a threat than it originally looked like. It does not look like we'll see a whole lot of rain or wind compared to what some of the earlier computer models were showing. Last night we got down to a low of 28 degrees. Average for this time of year is 38, so we were 10 degrees off the average. Average high is 57. We will not approach that today. Records are 80 and 23, nowhere near either of those. Sunrise this morning was at 6:34. Sunset this evening will be at 4:48, so if you are standing in line to go to the polls later on today, 4:48 is your sunset. Boston got down to 31 last night. Rutgers, Newark, 28 degrees. Rutgers, Camden, 32. Down the nation's capital, 34 degrees. Pittsburgh, 29, and Rochester, New York at 33. So a very brisk night overall in the entire Northeast. Forecasted highs for today. Boston's expected to get up to 42. Rutgers, Newark, 46. Rutgers, Camden, 48. Down in D.C., 48 also. Pittsburgh coming in at 46, and Rochester, New York expected to come in at 38 degrees. You can take a look at our national satellite. We did not have a lot. We had high pressure over the area, but now you can see this nor'easter starting to develop. It'll develop off the coast of North Carolina, as most of the nor'easters do this time of year, and they'll push up the coast. How close up the coast it is going to determine how much rain and wind we see. We do not really want to see the rain or the wind after Hurricane Sandy moved through the area last week because the beaches are in such a prone position now due to all the erosion. Today, if you're standing in line, the polls, a high of 46 degrees. You can see the flag waving. That'll start to wave more and more over the next couple of days as the nor'easter does begin to move in the area. Northeast winds 7 miles an hour. For tonight, we'll have a low of 32, another unseasonably cold night just around the freezing mark. As you can see, the winds begin to pick up northeast 6 to 14 miles an hour. For tomorrow, a high of 43. Showers begin to move in. May even begin to see a flake later in the afternoon as temperatures begin to dip. Winds out of the north at 16 to 26 miles an hour. And tomorrow night, we'll have a low of 35 degrees, a messy evening. You probably do not want to be out on the roads, no matter whether you see rain or snow. Definitely dangerous conditions to drive in, and it will be windy. Winds out of the north, 20 to 28 miles an hour. You may see gusts in excess of 30 to 35 miles an hour, so you do want to remain indoors if you can. And Saturday's early football forecast, 12 o'clock kickoff against Army at High Point Solutions Stadium, high of 56. A beautiful Saturday, a little bit warmer than what we have been experiencing, so this definitely will be a nice change in pace. If I step out for a look at the 5-day, your election day, 46 and sunny, so no inclement weather to mess with your chances of going out to the polls, but it will be a little brisk if you do head out. Wednesday and Thursday are very unsettled. Rain and possibly snow showers. Most likely no accumulations. It's definitely not cold enough for that kind of stuff yet, but a 43-degree high on Wednesday and a 46-degree high on Thursday. Friday and Saturday we return to the sunshine, 54 on Friday and 56 on Saturday. So a beautiful weekend will come after the rain and snow do move out over the next couple of days. As always, you can find us on RUTV Channel 6 every 15 minutes. You can like us on Facebook at RU Weather Watcher or follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW. And as always, you can find us on the web at rutv.rutgers.edu. I'm Adam Ranier. Make sure you go out and vote today, Rutgers University.